How to delete all voice letter videos on YouTube. So first of all, you have to open YouTube app. Make sure your YouTube application has been updated from Play Store or the App Store, and then tap on the profile icon. But before that, let me show you how you can save the videos in voice letter playlist. For that, you need to tap on the particular videos three dots. Then on this menu box, you can see the option of save to voice letter. And then once you have done that, it has already been saved to voice letter. To find it, you can go to profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And on this playlist, as you can see, view all option. Tap on it and you will see the voice letter option. Open it and here you will find all the voice letter videos on YouTube. So in order to delete this all voice letter videos on YouTube, there is no any such tool that will help us to delete this voice letter video at once. So you can manually tap on the three dots of the video and select remove from voice letter. Once done, again you can tap on the three dots and tap on remove from voice letter. Once you have done that, the voice letter videos has already been deleted on YouTube. So that is how we delete it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.